you're nice to keep around. I feel like when we're together, oh, we dominate this town. No, I don't need you, yet you still make me so proud. We were building up a future, now we're tearing up our ground. But I'm good on my own, getting groceries alone, and the aisle is empty. I wish you were here with me, but I'm fine on my own. Oh, I'm driving so low, and the passenger's empty. I wish you were here with me, but I don't need you. About your family, I'm just wondering if they're safe and happy and healthy. No, I don't need you, but I'm rooting for you and your dreams. I hope that you get everything, everything. But I'm good on my own, getting groceries alone, and the aisle is empty. I wish you were here with me, but I'm fine on my own. Guess my secret is out. I've said it to the crowd that I don't need you. There's no way that's true. So my secret is out. I've said it to the crowd that I don't need you, but that's just not true.
I was taken by the moon, looking down on everything I never knew. I'm awakened by the truth that only for a moment I'm alive with you. If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what falling feels like. If you never come around, how we ever gonna be? If you're always on the ground, then you're never gonna see what falling feels like. Falling feels. Was higher than the stars, orbiting the universe to where you are. Many years, many years, many years we've been apart, and I never wanted gravity to pull this hard. If you never